Thanks to the advent of e-commerce stores, more than half of the commercial population is currently using one form of content writing or the other to boost their sales and online presence. But can you really blame them? There are more than 1.13 billion websites on the internet today, with each pouring out content like tap water. Could you imagine how hard it would be to get a single article to appear first on the search engine page amidst all those articles? No wonder SEO writers are all the rage. But here's the thing, you're pretty good at SEO content writing. And even if you aren't good yet, you'll be halfway there by the end of this video. Because in this video, you'll learn everything there is to know about how to make money using your SEO skills, and the top tools you can use to improve your SEO. But first off, let's answer the question we all want to know. Is it actually possible to make money through in-depth knowledge of SEO? Well, here's the big shocker. You can make a lot of money through search engine optimization, and a boatload of it at that. Worried about not being good enough to handle it? You can easily make use of some AI tools to rank your content on Google. But before we get into all the amazing tools that you can use, why don't we find out some of the possible ways that you can make use of SEO as a small-scale business owner or content writer? Offer SEO consulting services and work as a freelancer. If you're the type who likes helping other businesses grow, you can offer your services as an SEO consultant or write marketing content for other websites. Most freelance writers write in a wide range of fields to increase their chances of finding various clients. You can choose to do the same in the beginning phase of your freelancing career and focus solely on what you're most passionate about in the latter phases. Companies of all sizes, from small shops to tech giants, are willing to pay professionals to help them get better results on search engines like Google. But don't get caught up in all the allure of all that money. Remember that getting real results for your clients is the key to long-lasting success in this field, since you'll automatically generate more income as the company grows bigger. Make an affiliate website. But that's not all. You can also choose more passive sources of income, such as affiliate marketing. The idea behind affiliate marketing is pretty easy. All you have to do is get a product you're passionate about. It could be something related to video games or fitness, or basically anything you enjoy doing or writing about. After you've done this, you can advertise this product on your website by crafting something related to this content. You'll find it easier to captivate your audience, since they'll sense just how passionate you are about whatever product you're trying to sell. If you've never heard about affiliate marketing before, you're probably wondering about how to get the products to promote. But that's pretty easy. All you need to do is visit Amazon or any other e-commerce platform and select a particular product that you want to promote. But to top it off, you earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Sounds too good to be true, right? I know. But how is this related to search engine optimization? All you have to do is get your affiliate website to rank higher on search engine results pages, which increases your chance of being discovered by potential customers. Give away sponsored content. Another way to make money through search engine optimization is by allowing other brands to write sponsored posts or guest articles on your website. This would not only help you make more money, but also give advertisers more exposure. But before you consider making sponsored content a marketing strategy, it's important to keep things open and honest. Pick products that your audience likes and brands that match the values of your brand. By giving your audience high-quality sponsored content, you can grab their attention and build trust. Rent and rank pages. Who says you have to build a website and focus on the business side of things for years, when you can easily create a website and rank its SEO in such a way that it appears on the first few pages on Google? After ranking the website, you can choose to work out rental agreements with people who are interested. For example, a site that promotes beauty products can be rented out to a makeup artist who could put it to better use. It requires a lot of hard work and research to make use of the right keywords that will ensure that the website is fully optimized. Focusing on high-value keywords and creating useful content can help you get new clients while making fast cash through rental arrangements. Grow and flip websites. Could you imagine creating so many websites and having to keep track of them? You don't have to stop renting out your websites. Website flipping offers a new approach to monetizing your SEO skills. Website flippers don't work on long-term SEO campaigns. Instead, they buy, fix up, and sell websites to make money. If you want to be successful at website flipping, you need to find undervalued sites that have room to grow, improve their SEO, and raise their overall value. This could mean making the website look better, making the user experience better, or better yet, using smart SEO techniques to get more organic traffic. You can get a lot of potential buyers and a good return on your investment by making websites that can grow effortlessly. Make and sell your own digital goods. Remember how NFTs were all the rage in 2023? Well, it turns out that you can make a truckload of money by selling digital products such as artwork, stock photos, courses, ebooks, or software tools. But before you jump right in, it would probably be best to find out what skills or areas of expertise your audience is interested in. You can get people to buy your digital products and generate steady income by providing them with useful solutions, such as how to get rich and some other attention-grabbing content in your niche. To make money from search engine optimization, a lot of things are involved. But one of the most important things you need to become a successful content marketer is choosing the right tool. Just recently, it was discovered that businesses that make use of AI to rank their websites make more sales. So if you're trying to open up the floodgates of money on your website, you should definitely get the right tool. But there are just way too many methods and tools that you can use. So how do you even pick one? Sit back and relax, because we'll be exploring some of the best tools to help you in boosting your online presence and income. SEO Clarity. When it comes to comprehensive SEO solutions, SEO Clarity stands out as a powerhouse. It's undoubtedly one of the best tools for businesses looking to get more information about their customers. With its incredible SEO analytics tools, your website will be shelling out some much-needed cash in no time. If you're ready to pull out more cash for premium features, SEO Clarity's AI-driven features, such as the SEO Clarity Intelligent Assistant, are well worth it. SEMrush. When it comes to rank tracking, SEMrush is without peer. It features numerous tools for tracking rankings and keywords, a customizable dashboard, and enterprise-level functionality. Its high price tag might prove to be a turnoff for some potential customers, but SEO experts will find the accuracy and scalability it offers to be well worth it. SEO Optimizer. SEO audits are what SEO Optimizer does best. It has a lot of simple but useful diagnostics and tools for testing different SEO elements. It is the preferred option for those seeking to detect and resolve SEO-related problems fast and efficiently, due to its practical suggestions and insightful performance insights. Ahrefs. Ahrefs is one of the most popular tools for search engine optimization when it comes to competitor research. Ahrefs is equipped with precise ranking data and comprehensive keyword analytics. Just one trial of Ahrefs' premium features is enough to keep you on the first page for years. And that brings an end to today's video. Don't forget to check out our channel for more engaging content on how to make money in tech. Also, click the bell icon for instant updates on new videos. Have a great day, and thank you all so much for watching this video.